In this episode, I'll be starting a new series where I am FaceTiming with my friend Toby. Hi, my name is Rocco, aka Bitcoin's best friend. I'd like to introduce my friend Toby. Toby is also a Bitcoiner, and I thought it would be fun and hopefully informative for people who are just getting into Bitcoin to view our discussions on what's happening with Bitcoin.
Hi Rocco, thank you for having me on your channel. Yes, there certainly has been a lot of excitement around Bitcoin since the spot ETFs were launched in the USA a few months ago. I'm curious to hear your thoughts about this.
Well, Toby, I'm actually surprised about how I am feeling about things. Obviously, I'm very happy to see Bitcoin shoot up to new all-time highs in US dollar terms. That goes without saying. But in another way, I find myself a little disappointed because I can't help feeling that the average person of my acquaintance doesn't grasp the urgency of this market. When I started this channel, Bitcoin was hovering in the low 20,000s. Right from the get-go, I pointed out how I agreed with a DCA and HODL strategy for Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin is hovering in the 70,000 range, and I personally don't know one person who has adopted this approach and benefited from the rise.
We must remember, Rocco, that Bitcoin is still relatively new. So I feel like you've contributed to people understanding what Bitcoin is. It's been challenging to understand the importance of Bitcoin. And you've shared some great information here on your channel. I know I've learned a lot from this channel. And it's not too late to DCA Bitcoin. It's never too late to adopt Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the future. It's because Bitcoin will reshape the world. Bitcoin is for everyone. And I think you deserve a nice treat, Rocco.
A treat would be nice. I realize a lot of experts say it's still early. But is it really? Bitcoin has an absolutely limited supply. The people BlackRock and Fidelity and all the other hedge funds are buying Bitcoin for absolutely understand what a limited supply means. The Bitcoin they are acquiring will never see the light of day again, and rightly so. They will hold it forever, just like they hold all their limited supply seafront property. And good for them. What do you say to that, Toby?
Yes, I see your point. And people don't understand the limited supply of the Bitcoin. It's a good thing. They can't grasp the idea that of its importance because the supply of fiat is unlimited. And the truth is, there's enough Bitcoin for everyone. They haven't missed out. Think of the future and your children's future. You don't want to miss out on being a part of it because you didn't think there was enough to go around. Yes, Bitcoin is increasing in price, but it also is expanding in other encouraging ways. It is bringing people together and wanting to work together, and that's a very positive thing, Rocco.
I agree with you. It's never too late to DCA Bitcoin because it's the greatest store of value asset in history. And sadly, I also agree with the saying that everyone gets Bitcoin at the price they deserve.